Today we're doing a product review, the best broom holder. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today's a really cool video and a pretty fast video because I am doing a product review for the best broom holder. This was a sponsored video and they contacted me and said, would I try out their product and give them a review? And I of course said, yeah, I would. So let's talk about this. Now in my garage, I originally had one of those wire broom holder things, which, holds mops and that sort of thing. And it was useful. It was cheap. It was useful. But I had some issues with it because every time I tried to put stuff on there, it would fall off. It would do weird things. And everything had to be like, I had to drill holes in actual items so that I could then put a string on it to attach it. It was just annoying. Okay, I will admit that, but I never went out and got a new one. And when this came up, I was like, okay, I'll give it a try. We'll see what happens. And so, of course, the first thing I did was install it. I took my old one down, put this one up, and it was super simple. It comes with all the hardware that you need, the wall mounts, the screws. Just drill them in, screw it in, and attach it. Make sure that you're attaching either you're using those wall plug mount things, or it's going into a stud so it attaches firmly to the wall. Okay, so then what? Now I just put my brooms and everything, my mops, my brooms, all those sort of things onto the best broom holder. That seems pretty straightforward, but does it work? Well, yes, because I actually have had this for a while, and I can honestly, truly say that this is really useful. Okay, let's talk about some things, and I know a lot of you are going to say, well, you're selling out, this is bad, but no, this thing really is useful. If you want to get a broom, just lift up slightly and pull it out, got it, no problem. If you want to put it away, just put it in there and pull it down slightly, you got it, no problem. Lit's the cool thing about this. I had some things which needed to be hung. On the old one, I had to hang them on those little wire pieces, and there was some S-type things which sort of held things into by just force, but it never really worked well. This has actual flip down hooks that I can hang things on, and when they're not needed I can flip them back up. It works really well. It is also pretty strong because I put some force pulling down on these things and it really did do a great job. It holds up there. Just remember, you have to anchor it, make sure that it is anchored tightly, and it will hold all of your brooms, all of your everything that you need to. It can hold up to 11 tools. I personally think it could probably hold more, but it really does work. I enjoy this. It's not one of those things where I'm just like, I tried it out, that's great. No, I really would say this was worth the time, this was worth the money, but they did give it to me, so like I said, this is a sponsored video. But here is the really cool part. You'll notice that down below there is a link that will take you so that you can buy your own, and guess what they did? They gave me a 5% discount. If you type in this discount code right here, it will give you 5% off your purchase of this item. It is so cool. This is the first time I've ever gotten to be able to do this, but I mean, literally, this thing really does work. It will hold your items. You can flip the broom ends up or down, whatever you want to make the most room, but it does. It really gets everything up off the floor, which is important if you're like me. I need my floor space because right now I really need to clean my garage. But it also is sturdy. That's the big thing that I wanted to make sure of. I can honestly say that this thing is really sturdy because I put some force into those things as I was putting this stuff away, and I put some weight onto those hooks, and guess what? They held up. They held up just wonderfully. So I'm going to say, go ahead, check that out. Let me know what you think about this. If you want me to do more reviews, let me know down in the comments. This was really cool, and I want to thank them for giving me this opportunity because it really was an actual quality product, and I did enjoy doing this. So let you know you can get a hold of me on most social media at cmcolemanhome, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.